Hi everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you something different and new recipe, and let's start the recipe. You all join me. So I'm going to make bati, no dal, so Bati Surma. So this is Rajasthan special. So I'm not going to use any barbecue oven or any other oven. Just I'm going to use all simple methods so that everybody will be able to do this. And I'm going to add ghee to this, pure ghee. This is homemade ghee. And just for 2 cups flour, I'm adding 2.5 cups ghee. And I'm going to mix it well. So you can add little bit spices like ajwan or even coriander seeds, but I'm not going to add anything of this. So the key here is when you press it, it should form like this. So I need little more ghee to this because I've taken out this from frozen ones, the wheat flour, because I keep it in deep freezer so that it stays fresh for longer time. So it looks good. At this point, so this be tight. So you can put little more ghee, but I'm not going to add any more. So at this point, I'm going to add water. So I'm going to add little by little water, warm water. It looks nice tight dough. So I'm going to cover this and wait for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, then I've divided it into small portions. Then just roll it nice into round. Because this is hard, so you may not get the exact round and there will be cracks, but that's okay. But just make it nice round, smooth round, and just press. Has to get shape like this. I'll show you one more. Nice rounds. So press in center like this. So this helps to cook well. So I'll finish off all of them. I'll put water in the pot and it's boiling. It has to boil well, like the bubbling has to come. At this point, then I'm going to add all of this. This is very tasty ones. Going down a little bit. It's too hot. So Rajasthani special. This tastes too good. You should try this. This is one of my favorite recipe. So after boiling, then one by one comes up like this. It floats. Then that indicates that. So when it floats, then it indicates that it has been cooked. So within 10 minutes, they keep floating. So it has been sitting here for 15 minutes and I can see them floating. This is how it floats. Then I'm going to take out each from this. Long process, not complicated, but a long process. So the more shortcut method I am going to show you next time. So that is the usual process I do, but for only just because of surma has to be a little bit crispy and soft. That's the reason I'm using this method. But otherwise the barbecue method is the best method I like, because it doesn't consume a lot of time. Here it consumes a lot of time, that's the reason. don't use this method. This should sit here for at least 5 to 10 minutes so that everything gets cooled down. And this is the water which is left after removing all batis from that. And we can use this water for cooking dal or anything else, like maybe for the rice you can add this, because it has lots of ghee in it, because while boiling the ghee is released, right? So we can reuse this. So today I'm not going to use this, I'm going to save it in the fridge and I'm going to use later. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to use it with the rice. So I'm going to cut each into 2 pieces. You can even cut into 4 pieces, it's okay. So I'm going to cut into 2 pieces. So this helps while frying, then it fries well. So I don't use most of the deep fries, but here I'm going to use ghee. So ghee is one of the better option. And I'm going to use little bit ghee to fry, and when we fry it, it doesn't absorb much ghee. So that's the reason I'm going to use it. So this occasionally it's okay, otherwise not for every day. Not very often, I mean. For very often things, then the baked one or even the barbecue one is the best option. So we do use lots of them in barbecue, which is very easy and very nice, tasty ones. So let's go for next stop. I'm using very tiny pot so that when I put ghee into this, then I can put it little less quantity, be deeper, right? So this is the ghee I'm going to add. Once the ghee melts, then I'm going to add all batis one by one into this. I need to fry a little more. It looks good, then I'm going to take them out. Batch. So I'm done with frying. They look very good, and I didn't use any extra ghee. That's the ghee whichever I added. That's the only one here. So when it is hot itself, then I'm going to do powder. Just I'm taking some of them. I don't need this many at this time. So you can save this and do at later stage. And even when you can boil and keep it in fridge and fry it whenever you want it. So there are so many options. So now I'm going to break them. See, it's very soft and nice. It has to be soft like this. I've taken quarter cup homemade sweetener mix. So you can find this recipe on my channel. So I'm adding some cardamoms, 7 cardamoms. So 6 to 7 is fine, and I'm going to blend this so that I will have those cardamoms blended. So I'm done blending. It already smells yummy. The sweetener looks good. Now I'm going to add all this to blender. I've done the blending and it looks nice, powdery. This is how it should look. So I'm going to fry this in ghee again. So my pan is getting ready. I've already heated it, and I'm going to add just 1 or 2 spoons. This time I'm going to add with very less, just 2 spoons. This is 1 cup, so because I left half of them, I just took only half of them. So this is only 1 cup. So I'm going to fry this. It should taste crispy. It takes 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. At 5 I'm doing, so it has to be done on low flame. It looks nice. It's almost done. You need to get that ghee aroma, like when you fry them, then you get a kind of aroma. So until then you need to fry this. It looks almost done. So after getting this stage, then I need to turn off and wait until it gets cool, then add the sugar or the sweetener mix. If you are going to add at this point when it is hot, then it becomes very hard, like the smoothness won't be there in this, the softness I mean. So that's the reason it has to get cooled down, then we need to add the sugar or the sweetener mixture. So as per me, this is one of the healthiest food, sweet dessert. When it is hot, I'm going to add almonds. Actually we can add more dry fruits, but I'm going to add very less because my friend, she doesn't like more dry fruits, but at the same time her husband loves them. So in between I'm adding just few of them. You can add even pista or any other dry fruits you like, even cashews also. So any kind of fruits, dry fruits you can add. So I'm letting it sit for some time so that it gets cooled down, and then I'm going to add the sugar or the homemade sweetener. It's already cooled down. Now I'm going to add this sugar. So here we can add how much ever sweet level you like it. So I'm going to add little less comparatively because I like less sugar, but you can add as you like. Looks good. I'm going to transfer it. It looks very yummy. I can't wait anymore to taste this. Hope my friend likes it. Perfect. It looks very good. Now I'm going to taste this. I'm going to take into bowl. It's very tasty. This is best sweet. I liked it. And if you, it tastes yummy, and you should try this. If you like this video, share with your friends, and for full description, you look into the description box below and comment and let me know how it came out for you. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel. Until then, bye. See you with next video. For full recipe, look into the description box below. And if you like this recipe, share with your friends. And if you are for the first time onto my channel, and subscribe to my channel for new notification. Thank you for watching, and see you with next video. Until then, bye.